Hey everyone, so welcome to my channel, and this is my very first video on the very first modification that I'm going to do in my Continental GT. So what is the modification? It is nothing but a charger. Okay, I know, मुझे पता है ये तो सब करते हैं, तो तुम्हारे में इतना क्या खास है? Well, actually, let me just widen it a little bit. So I'm going to connect this charger directly to the battery. Okay, I don't know whether it will be successful or not. If it blows up, it blows up. So without any further delay, let's unbox this. Okay, I think I have to use two hands for this. Actually, let me try. Okay, one hand vlogging. Okay, open it up. I think I don't have to cut my fingers. Okay, open. Okay, first cut, and then the second cut. Okay, so this is the BOBO's charger, which is wireless as well as also having the USB charging capability. I have ordered it because the price at which I got it is like very affordable and value for money as well. There is one more competitor which is the Motor Torque's charger, which was expensive than this one, but it was only having the wireless charging capability. No, it was not having the USB, so I found it more value for money than that one, so that is why I have ordered it. Well, actually its actual price is not that much. Its actual price is way more than the Motor Torque's one, but the coupon which I have applied, I got it cheaper than that. So yeah, that's why I ordered it. So here, let me just unbox this. Okay, the boxing is very good. Nice, a box inside a box. Let me just keep it aside. Okay, so how to open it up? Okay, so these are the specifications. So this is the MRP. You can apply the coupon codes and you can get it for the cheaper rates. Okay, so here are the contents. So this is the extension. You can put it on your mirror and you can put your charger over here. So this is the one content. Let me keep it here. And these are the spacers. Okay, so and Allen key is also included in this one. Okay, nice. Let me keep it here as well. And this is the main thing. So this is the charger. This is having wireless and USB charging as well, and there is the button. I think it is a waterproof. It has to be waterproof because it will be there on the handlebar all the time, so it has to be waterproof, right? If it is not, then it's gonna blow up. Let me keep it here. And we got two zip ties for the cable management. And then what we have here, we have a spare fuse. Okay, so fuse is also in this cable. Okay, yeah, you can see here there we can put our fuse. So if any short circuit or overload happens, the fuse will blow up and pretty much it will save my life or my bike from burning up. Okay, so jokes apart, now what I will do, I will install this in my Continental GT, and I will be directly connecting this to the battery, not through the, what we say, like people do modifications through in their key, like when they put their key in their ignition key, so they link up with that, so that when they turn it on, then only this should turn on. But I will keep it on directly on the battery. I will not do like Indian jugaad. Okay, so let's go to the bike and we will continue on there. Hey guys, welcome back again. So without wasting time, let's continue. Okay, so now you will be thinking, he just opened up this box, right? Now he must have ordered something else. But no, I ordered the same thing again because the previous charger which I ordered was defective. I opened it, I tested it, and it was not working, so I returned it, and Bobo sent me the replacement, and very quickly. Shout out to Bobo for that, for sending me the replacement within a week. Like they were very responsive for that, and they understood the it was the genuine issue. Like I opened the package and it was not working, so I returned the order and they provided me the replacement. So thank you, Bobo, thanks a lot. Just let me open it up. Let's try one more time, one more go. Don't cut your leg, don't cut your leg, huh? Okay, so again going through the same thing again. Okay, so let's open it up. So it must have only the main power unit. Okay, so it is having only main power unit, because rest of the things I am having, so they provided me the replacement only for the main power unit. Okay, so this is the new one. Okay, let's test it out. Let's go and install this one in our GT. Hey guys, so बहुत दिनों बाद मैं ये वीडियो कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ. तो हमने बोबो का ये चार्जर अपने बाइक में इंस्टॉल कर लिया है. पहले मैंने इसको इस वाले स्क्रू पे लगा रखा था, जो कि मतलब इतना ऊपर था, पर मैंने इसको अभी हैंडल बार में थोड़ा सा स्पेस बना करके उसमें लगा दिया है. मैं फ़ोटो आपको इस वीडियो में दिखा दूंगा कि मतलब पहले कैसा सेटअप था, और मैंने वो सेटअप क्यों चेंज किया मैं वो भी बता देता हूँ. अभी दरअसल मैं 300 किलोमीटर GT को चला करके लाया हूँ अपने घर पे. तो उसमें क्या हुआ था कि इतना ऊपर चार्जर लगाने पर जब भी मतलब स्टेबल था, पर फ़ोन मतलब नहीं गिरा, पर वॉबल थोड़ा सा भी मतलब गाड़ी में कुछ भी अगर जर्क आता था रोड में तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा वॉबल करता था. तो इसलिए मैंने मतलब ये वाला सेटअप हटा करके मैंने हैंडल बार की मतलब एकदम सीधा उसमें अटैच कर दिया, ताकि ये ज़्यादा वॉबल ना करे. और सेटअप मतलब मैंने कैसे किया हुआ है, मैंने इसको किसी इग्निशन से नहीं जोड़ा हुआ है गाड़ी की, मैंने इसको डायरेक्ट गाड़ी की बैटरी से जोड़ रखा है. सीट के अंदर मैंने इसकी वायरिंग लगा रखी है. ये आप देख सकते हैं, ये जो वायर है ये सीट के अंदर गया हुआ है. मैंने इसकी ये जो वायर आप देख रहे हैं, ये इंजन के ऊपर से इसकी वायरिंग से जुड़ा हुआ है, और यहाँ से जाकर के डायरेक्ट बैटरी में जुड़ता है. और मतलब इसका अगर मैं रिव्यू बताऊँ तो रिव्यू बहुत मतलब सॉलिड प्रोडक्ट है. अब इसमें वायरलेस चार्जिंग प्लस USB चार्जिंग दोनों है, तो बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बनाया है बोबो. दैट्स इट. आई विल डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड दिस प्रोडक्ट कि आप ये प्रोडक्ट ही यूज़ करें. मतलब और भी प्रोडक्ट है मार्केट में, जैसे मोटो टॉर्क का है, पर उसमें सिर्फ आपका वायरलेस चार्जिंग है पर USB नहीं है, और वो इससे सस्ता भी है. पर अगर आप इस प्रोडक्ट में कूपन लगाते हैं तो आपको ये प्रोडक्ट उससे भी सस्ते, मुझे तो ये प्रोडक्ट उससे भी सस्ते में मिल गया था जो मोटो टॉर्क का प्रोडक्ट है. तो मतलब अगर आपको कूपन में लगाने के बाद ये अगर प्रोडक्ट आपको उससे सस्ते में मिल रहा है तो ये ज़्यादा वैल्यू फॉर मनी है, क्योंकि इसमें आपको दो चीज़ें ज़्यादा मिल रही हैं कंपेयर टू मोटो टॉर्क के. तो ये मेरा रिव्यू था, और ये मतलब बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.